dun, 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 dun. You have to sing it ourselves because we don't want to copyright. Move your tassels from right to left. And congratulations, class of 2018! Yay! Hi guys! So today we're going to be doing a very special video, and I say all my videos are special because they're special to me. Anyways, so today we're going to be decorating my graduation cap. And fun fact, I actually graduated last year. In 2018, I graduated high school.
Angela Tejada, Ontario Scholar, Excellence in Media Arts.
Yeah! Yes, Angela! And yeah. So for graduation, we were allowed to decorate our hats and stuff. I really wanted to do the Hokage because I saw this post on like Instagram and put it up on the screen somewhere. I saw that post and I'm like, yo, I really want to do it. But I never did because I was too lazy, to be honest. But now that it's graduation time, again, we are going to be fulfilling 17-year-old Angela's dream. Grade 12 Angela's dreams of becoming Hokage because believe it! Believe it. I'm gonna be Hokage and no one can tell me otherwise because I'm gonna be Hokage no matter what. Believe it. I have no idea how to do this. I'm literally just gonna go off of like reference online. I'm just gonna pull up a picture. Hokage. So yeah, we're just gonna go off images online. So I have construction paper here. We're just gonna mainly use whites and red. We have X-Acto knife. We have scissors. And we have pencil, Japanese eraser, ruler, and then glue that is upside down because this is very old glue. I was actually gonna buy the Hokage cloak, but that's like $30. I don't really want to buy $30. I have my cap from last year. Let's get started. So we're going to remove this first, the tassel. We're going to start off with the white, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna just grab the red. This is a lot lighter red than I wanted. And then we'll have this white paper, and we're just gonna glue it. Originally was just going to paint it, but I'm too scared because I feel like gluing it, you can salvage it if you mess up. I'm kind of sad that this is really light red.
I would have painted it.
You would have painted it?
I would have.
Maybe we'll just paint over this. So this is the front part. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Oh my God. Sa hinding inaasahan. Ew, it's watery. We're just going to, I guess, measure this. It's about here. So I guess we're just going to cut it like this. Do what you do, what you do, what you do. I know some people didn't use the red, but I want to make this part red. Because some people just left it like the whatever color their cap is, and then just like did the white border, and then like the symbol. We're going to do the leaf village. Oh, this is frustrating. This is good. Can you see? It's good.
Yeah, yes.
I don't need I guess, I need yes. Okay, now we're just gonna take pencil and mark where we want to cut. And then we're just gonna cut along the lines. It's not even, but you know what? Whatever. Now, what should we do? The red part now? So we're gonna use the white part and then use it as a guideline for the red. And we still have space for the white border. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to cut like a slit thing here. Am I smart or am I not smart? I'm smart! Wow! Okay, it fit. Yay! Is that fine? Finally gluing.
That's a lot of glue.
Goodbye, graduation cap. Forever. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted from the church. That's a good red.
Right?
Should I paint it over now? We're going to YOLO this. Hokage red. ise no se.
That's it. We're gonna get copyrighted. Stop.
で踏み込むごらん僕らは何もきらめく汗がこぼれるのさ覚えてないこともたくさんあっただろう Now it's like really textured. I mean like it's getting
Like you can see the air bubbles.
How do you feel?
There's just a lot of air bubbles.
This isn't that bad. It's not gonna look that bad for pictures, right?
Maybe.
What do you mean by maybe? Like it's gonna look bad?
Probably.
Why are you crushing my dreams
I'm
of being
joking.
Hokage? My drawing skills. They're good?
Yeah.
So this is 9.5 inches.
Choose your weapon.
Why does it have to laugh like that?
I don't know.
Nakakalupad ng batang to! This is the most struggles of all struggles. I just wanna be Hokage! Why is it so difficult? Ask me questions.
How's life?
Good.
How's potatoes?
Yummy.
How's your friends?
Good.
How's Mama?
Amazing.
How's me?
Okay.
No, I'm me. Are you gonna let Joy finally play Pokemon?
After I do it again.
Why?
Why
Your
what?
poor sister has been waiting for more than a year. And then you're gonna restart.
Because it's been a year since I played it. I didn't even finish the game because I gave up. Because I had a really overpowered water Pokemon. And then the final boss is like a bug type Pokemon. And my water Pokemon can't beat the bug Pokemon. So I have to make my fire Pokemon really OP so I can beat the bug. It's not even a bug, it's an alien, but it's like a bug type. Yeah, I have to train my fire Pokemon just so I can beat it. And that's the tea, sis.
My favorite sister is I know.
I want to change the world. Walk again, never miss the way. La 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 la. I need a paintbrush. If Inuyasha copyrights me, I won't be mad. So we got to this part. I think it looks pretty good, other than the fact it's really bumpy and textured. But it looks cool. Yay! I'm gonna be Hokage. Now I already outlined the symbol here, so I'm going to paint it in with my paintbrush. These are all watercolor brushes. You're like, what's the difference? Naruto opening 16! July and April. Am I done? Is this it? I am now Hokage!
When you say you're fine, but if I read minds, you say that I need you away.
I am now Hokage! This took way too long. It's already sunset. We finally did it. Thoughts? What are your thoughts?
Pretty okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks okay.
Okay.
Just got to. Ate! We need your
What's your
opinion! The only opinion I'll ask of you. Does it look okay?
Yeah.
17-year-old Angela is disappointed. I feel like I could have done better, but you know what? It looks okay. It looks good.
It doesn't look that bubbly anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't look that bubbly anymore. flattened out. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I was like halfway. I was like, no, this is gonna be a fail. I'm really sad. I'm investing all my time and
me too.
effort into this. I felt your energy. I felt like you were like, and I was just like, and I was like getting frustrated. I wish I did this for grad. If you guys are thinking about doing this, I really recommend it because you can really stand out, and yeah, I really wish.
Can see you.
But yeah, congrats to everyone that is graduating this year. I'm so proud of you. Whether it's elementary school, high school, or college or university or whatever you're graduating from. Life. I'm joking. Ooh, that's dark. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great graduation and I don't know, found this video entertaining. I am now the Hokage. I'll see you guys next time, I guess. Ooh. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, tell me that rock can never win the ride. Baby, tell me that we gon' someday stop the fight. And tell me that everything gon' be alright.